What's up, YouTube? Real short video. Got my RocHobby Cheyenne today, 6x6. Paid for it. It's supposed to be one of the freebies they gave out. I had to pay for mine. And my main wonder was if it had plastic transmission. Keep saying it. Plastic axle gears or metal. And it has metal axle gears. Also greased. I was wondering because the Katana had plastic gears, but then when they did a licensed Land Cruiser, upgraded Katana, it had metal gears. So I was very curious to know if the Cheyenne had plastic or metal. Several videos out there. Some didn't know. Some said metal, but they didn't open it up. And maybe they had information from somewhere else. But anyway, I opened it up. It's metal and greased. Land Cruiser wasn't greased, but they were metal. But yeah, that's about it. So I just want to show that, put that out there real quick. The Cheyenne 6x6 has metal gears, which is very good. It has bushings instead of bearings, but that's okay. Peace.